Using Apple Pay on your iPhone is a convenient and secure way to make transactions. To get started, you need to set up Apple Pay on your device by opening the Wallet app and following the prompts to add a credit or debit card. Once Apple Pay is set up, you can use it to make payments in stores, online, and in apps. To use Apple Pay in stores, look for the contactless payment symbol or the Apple Pay logo at the checkout. Hold your iPhone near the contactless reader and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. When shopping online or in apps, select Apple Pay as the payment method at checkout and authenticate the transaction. You can also use Apple Pay to send and receive money with friends and family using the Messages app. Apple Pay is widely accepted at many merchants, including grocery stores, restaurants, and retail stores. It is also accepted at many online retailers and apps, making it a convenient payment method for all your transactions. To manage your Apple Pay transactions, open the Wallet app and tap on a transaction to see more details. You can also use the Wallet app to add or remove cards and to view your transaction history. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your iPhone and cards secure, monitoring your transaction history, and contacting your bank or card issuer if you notice any suspicious activity. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Apple Pay with confidence and make the most of this convenient and secure payment method. Overall, Apple Pay is a quick and easy way to make payments, and its widespread acceptance makes it a great option for all your transactions. With its security features and ease of use, Apple Pay is a great way to simplify your financial transactions and make the most of your iPhone.